Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So in the last couple days, customer brought me this Tacoma and he wanted to have the bed built out. This is Wes.
How's it going?
So this is the design that we came up with. Big old drawer. And why did you want so much storage in this thing, Wes? What are you gonna do?
So I'm working for the Forest Service now. I'm gonna be living out of this truck for like the next 6 months or so. So this is perfect for a little backcountry cooking and clothing storage and whatnot.
There you go. I got a couple different dividers in here that are removable in case you want to change your mind or something like that, and it goes as far back as possible. This is a 6-foot bed Tacoma, right?
Yep.
So you got like a 5-foot drawer guy because you wanted as much space as possible.
Exactly.
And I've never built a drawer this big, but it's looking pretty good, pretty sturdy, tons of space. Over here, we drilled a little, cut out a little hole so you can actually access the cooker from inside here if you have something on top, and these are the false tops, they're removable as well. What else you got? You're gonna put like some storage underneath the other side here, it looks like?
Yeah, somebody put in a bunch of backpacking stuff in here, some climbing gear, my battery, my Goal Zero fit it up in here. And then, yeah, this is nice and removable, which is great, so I can access everything.
Yeah, so we just try to make everything as simple as possible and as much storage as possible because, what are you, like 6'2" or something?
Yeah, I'm 6'4", so yeah.
Pretty tall guy, so
yeah.
you need a pretty big bed. You know, he's got a lot of stuff. He's gonna try to do some rock climbing while he's out there camping. So literally every little hole is accessible. When you climb up in here, you can actually see that we cut out this little area right here. Maybe a little hiding spot or something. He had some reclaimed barn wood he wanted to fit in here into the build. This compartment back here as well goes super deep. All kinds of good stuff next to the bed when you're sleeping and whatnot. And then, as he said, he wanted to put his Goal Zero in here. Right now you have the smaller one, right? What is it?
Yeah, I got the 150, but I'm gonna upgrade it to the 400.
Well, so eventually maybe upgrade to the 400. So we made this top right here removable so you can take it out. So when he does that, you can just drop the Goal Zero right through there and it'll sit right here nicely. Drilled a nice little hole so he can plug it into, the Tacomas have that inverter, right?
Yep.
There's a little inverter back there. I'm sure all you Tacoma guys know about as well. And a couple more little storage in there and tons of stuff you can get your backpack gear and whatnot in there, right?
Yep, exactly.
Sweet, so headed out this evening, right?
Yep, heading to Utah and then up to Montana.
Damn.
It's gonna be awesome.
And be living out in the forest for a couple weeks at a time.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. For
Awesome.
the next season, that's for sure.
Sweet, so this is gonna work?
Cool, yeah, it's perfect. Thanks for the work, Brian.
Awesome.
It, man.
Well, nice to meet you, Wes.
Cool, thank you so much.
Epic travels, good luck. Well, for more videos, click the links below, and we'll see you next time.